Hey, what's up people? Arbitrum Odyssey has been running for a while now. Though I've not covered it on this channel, but I've been sharing it in our Telegram group. If you're not yet in our Telegram group, this is the best time for you to join because we're going to be dropping informations that will make you so much money in this coming bull run. Yeah, so I decided to make this video on the 4th week of Arbitrum Odyssey because it was specially requested from my community. So that is why we are here today. The tasks are pretty simple and it's going to run until the 7th week. So right now we are here week 4, we have week 5 to go, week 6 and week 7. A lot of people have been fading the Arbitrum Odyssey. I just hope that you're not one of such persons because this Odyssey actually has the potential to give us juicy rewards from Arbitrum again. So it's not going to cost you so much to participate in this Odyssey. Ever since it started, I've not really spent up to $50 doing all these tasks. Okay, before we dive into this video proper, it seems like the airdrop season has just been kick-started. In a space of 1 week, about 4 different projects or 5 different projects has announced airdrop. And you all know that recently we got the Celestial airdrop, which is one of the biggest in the industry so far. Now, just about a few hours ago, Quasar announced in their Twitter handle that they will be doing their airdrop. If you have been here for a while, you will remember that we did the Quasar testnet. So we're going to be looking at this shortly. But the biggest one, which I believe is going to get everyone excited out there, if actually it is true, is that of Layerzero. There is a strong prediction of Layerzero going live on the 12th of December, which means that the airdrop is going to be happening on the 12th of December. Guys, you all know that if this is true, then we're going to have a glorious, wonderful December. Okay, like I said, before we look at all this, let's go and do our Arbitrum Odyssey quest. This link is going to be in the description as usual. So when you scroll down a little, you will see the task you're supposed to carry out. We have the 1 inch and we have the premier task. So let's head straight to galaxy.com. Okay, about 18,000 persons have already done this very task. And the other one, which is that of Premier, about 21,000 persons has done it as well. But we'll go back here and begin with the one of 1 inch. So first, you need to join their Discord server, which I've already joined, and you can see that these are sticked good. The second task is to do a swap or perform a swap on the 1 inch fusion, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. This is 1 inch application. Of course, you should be on Arbitrum One network. Then connect your wallet as usual. Okay, MetaMask, and approve that in your MetaMask. Okay, so we're officially connected, but they ask us to do something to use the fusion swap. Now you need at least $5 worth of USDT in your Arbitrum wallet. So I have that already. I will just change this and you see that I have about $5 here. And before you go ahead to swap, you need to activate the fusion swap mode. Go right here. Hope you can see where my cursor is, and then turn this on, which is the fusion. Hope you can see it. Now go ahead to swap 5 USDT into Ethereum or any other token of your choice. First, we need to unlock it. So click on give permission, sign in and proceed. Okay, that reminds me, I hope that you all are still using your Fire app. If you're not using Fire app yet, the link will be in the description. Download it and start using it right now. This is a protection app. It helps you to know when you are in a phishing site or you're trying to sign a malicious contract. Look at what it says, often used to verify your address to sign in to a dApp. So this is safe for me to sign in. If you don't want to use Fire app, there is also Guard application or Guard wallet, which you can as well download and use. In fact, I use both of them. Okay, so I'll just go ahead to sign in because it is safe to do so. There is another approval for me to do, and my Fire app is telling me what will happen when I approve infinitely. So I am going to change this to the number of tokens I want to approve before giving approval. Okay, I'll just enter the amount, which of course is 5 USDT. Then scroll down to click on next. That is it. So the next thing is for us to swap on fusion. So click swap, and now I need to sign a signature. Just go ahead and do that. Okay, and that is it, guys. Fusion swap submitted. Your swap is awaiting a match. It might take about 3 minutes. You can view in the wallet transaction history. So let's wait for this transaction to go through. Look at that. Fusion swap blah 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 is executed successfully. Okay, so that is how to make a fusion swap. And when we go back to Galaxy, you will see that we are now eligible to claim this NFT. Just click on this and it will be updated automatically. Yeah, hope you saw that. It is very fast, so this is not going to take much time. Even though this week for Odyssey is ending on the 5th of November, it also means that you can participate because this is very fast. As soon as you do the needful, it is updated immediately. So I'll go ahead and claim my NFT right now. I'll confirm this and look at the NFT I'm going to be getting. So that is claimed successfully. This is my NFT right here, the dark matter. Now there is something that Galaxy introduced. You can actually make a deposit into your Galaxy account. Look at this, deposit smart balance. What this means is that from your Galaxy account you can execute transactions without necessarily connecting your MetaMask wallet. So if this sounds interesting to you, you can go ahead to make a deposit into your Galaxy account and use it to perform all this quest on Galaxy. I hope you understand that. All right, let's go straight to the next one, which is the Premier Quest. Now there is a recruit course that we need to participate in. After reading all of that, we answer the question and we need to trade option on Premier Blue. I've read the course and I'm just going straight to answer the questions for you. Here is the course. You have to connect your MetaMask wallet. This is the only way you'll be recognized as someone who has done the course. Okay, so let's begin the course. Then scroll down. Like I said, I've already read it. I'll just give you all the answers. So this one is Arbitrum Nova. Then we move to the next lesson. Scroll down again to go and answer the question, which is right here. Okay, and this is the answer. Then go straight to the next one, and this is the answer, calls and puts. Then the next one, and again scroll down to answer. Okay, and here we go, next lesson. Now this one is the big one, which you also need to pay attention. It's not asking you directly about what you read. So what is a put option? Because we're going to be trading option. This simply means that you are trying to sell an option. So a put option means that you're trying to sell a specific asset. Okay, so this is the answer. We have the call option, which is to buy. Okay, hope that makes sense. The next one is, what can traders do on Premier Blue? This is exactly what traders can do to trade options on any ERC20 tokens, provide liquidity, blah blah blah. Okay, click on it. And the next one is, what is Arbitrum 1? Of course, you all know that Arbitrum 1 is Ethereum layer 2 DeFi. Okay, and the last one, what benefit does Arbitrum provide for users on Premier Blue? Of course, this is the answer, low fees and the rest of them. So click on it and we submit. Look at that. Congratulations, your NFT badge is currently minting. So we successfully went through the course and gave the right answers. Hope you followed through. Okay, the next thing we need to do for this Odyssey is to go and trade options, and we'll head straight to the options platform. Here it is. So you need to connect your Arbitrum wallet once again, MetaMask, nest it in your MetaMask and connect. And again, you need to sign a message that proves that you are the owner of this wallet. So click on sign. Now we are officially connected to the Premier.Blue application. Here we need to place an option, and we want to do that on Arbitrum. So we have to select the Arbitrum token. We have wrap ether here. That is not the token we want to use. So click on that, scroll a little, and you will see Arbitrum. Here it is. Click on it. There's something called strike price. If you're using the call, it means that you are actually buying. And at what price do you want to buy? Okay, and if you're using the put, it means you are selling. At what price do you want to sell? This is known as strike price. So we're going to select our strike price. Since we want to buy, we just click on this. These are the strike prices, so you can select anyone and go with it. For me, I want to buy at 90 cents. I hope Arbitrum comes down to 90 cents again. Okay, and for how long do you want the strike to stay? It is known as maturity. I'll be selecting November 12th, which is like 9 hours from now. Okay, and we are in. It's supposed to be showing the current price here, but I don't know why it's not showing it. Okay, let's hope that it comes up. And the next thing we have to do is to enter our option size. Just type in anything here and you're good to go. So my option size is 0.8. Okay, and we're going to get the option to select a quote, which is about coming up right now. This is taking a little longer to upload. And know that if you want to sell, which is to put, then you go through the same process. I hope you're getting it. Okay, since this is not coming up, let's try to see if we can put a sell call. Okay, this just came up, but I'm not going to be selling at this price. I will have to change it. I hope you are actually following. So I want to sell at $1, and now we're going to click on this and go ahead to put a sell option. Then we'll have to approve this, but if you take a look, it means that you're going to be needing 0.78 USDC. This is the bridged USDC, not the normal USDC. So you have to get the USDC bridge on Arbitrum, which you're going to use to approve this transaction. So we click on this. Once your wallet pops up, then go ahead to approve. And now we have the sell button highlighted for us. So just click on sell. Confirm the transaction again in your MetaMask. Transaction successful. So with this, we have just performed an options trade, and now we can head back to Galaxy to claim our NFT. Okay, look at that. It's already ticked on its own automatically. That is the premier quest that we just did. So now we have to claim, but this has to highlight for us. It means that we need to refresh this page for the claim button to be highlighted. That is done successfully. Now we can claim our NFT. Click on it. Once again, you need to confirm this in your MetaMask. Successful. Close this and you will see that you have just claimed your NFT, or your premier Arbitrum Recruit NFT, which is known as Eternal Tranquility. Okay, so this is all you have to do for the Arbitrum Odyssey week 4, and week 5 is definitely on the way, since this one is ending on the 5th of November. All right, people, let's go straight and look at the Quasar airdrop. So 8 hours ago, Quasar announced that they will be distributing about 10,245,750 QSR tokens, which is the Quasar token, from their community pool to the early bird, which is around 2,157 testnet users who executed over 3 transactions by March 10th. I hope that you're one of these 2,157 testnet users, because I remember that I said in the video that you should make sure you execute at least 3 transactions. So congratulations in advance. It means you're one of these 2,157 testnet users. This airdrop is the first wave in a series that doesn't just reward early supporters, but also paves the way for a more decentralized, engaged future. It says choose to stake your airdropped tokens and you will secure a bonus. That is, when you receive your airdrop and you decide to stake it, you're going to get some more bonus. But if you don't want to stake, it is up to you to decide. Now, there is a proposal concerning this airdrop, which is right here. So if you click on this link, it takes you straight to the proposal page. And when you take a look, you will see that this proposal is already passed. It's going to end in 1 day. And as it is, about 100% has said yes. So definitely the airdrop is coming to the 2,157 testnet users. My only concern is this: are you one of the testnet users that will be getting this token? If yes, then congratulations to you. I also went on to check the Quasar token, which is the QSR on CoinGecko, and this is the current price, about 2 cents, 723 blah blah blah. So this token is not doing so bad. And when I check the amount of tokens that will be airdropped to 2,157 persons, if it's done equally, each person will be getting about 4,710 Quasar token. And when you go with what the price is, 4,700 Quasar token times this amount is around 122 which is not a bad airdrop. And this is okay considering the fact that you did not spend any money doing this testnet. So once again, I want to say congratulations to you. And finally, before we go, the big one, which of course I told you, is Layerzero. This one is definitely coming, but someone is saying that it is coming on the 12th of December, which I will be so excited for if it happens on that date or even before that date. Now, the question I want to ask you is this: are you well positioned for Layerzero? Anything you're trying to do right now is just for the sake of using the Layerzero application. If you're trying to create a new wallet to farm Layerzero, sorry, you may have missed out on this airdrop, because I believe that by now snapshot may have been taken. I may be wrong, but then I strongly believe that snapshot has been taken. Okay, people, this is all I got for you today. I trust you got value. Smash the like button, share this video everywhere, subscribe if you haven't, and turn the notification bell. I will definitely see you in my next one. And don't forget, we are gonna make it. Bye.